Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope mko poa. My name is Betty in case you are new into this channel. And I want to do after dark cleaning motivation. It's around, let me check. It's around 10:38 p.m. So I want to do after dark cleaning motivation, and I want to clean my living area, my dining area, and also for my bedroom. But for my bedroom, I'm just changing the beddings. And the first thing, guys, I'm going to start with this huge rotary that we had done earlier. So I want to fold them. So yeah, that is what I want to do, guys.
And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. In the city, rushing through me, down on street, all you make me feel it. In the city, rushing through me, down on street, all you make me feel it.
So guys, I'm done folding all the clothes, and now I want to clean up my living area. And this video, it's all about cleaning, and I'm not going to use a lot of cleaning products, so I'll not be talking so much because the video explains itself. So let me take this opportunity, guys, to thank you all for the support that you have been showing me. I don't take it for granted. And if you're watching this video, guys, and you haven't subscribed, kindly do, and I will highly appreciate your subscription.
Rushing through me, down on street, all you make me. Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up now. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
I'm about to blow it up like a volcano. Another day to lose control. There's a fire in my bones. My sight gets blurry, pushing back the tears. Should take a leap of faith and face my fear. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out, but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano. Like a volcano. Blow it up like a volcano. What you do, what you do, what you do to me? Can't you see what it means when you set me free? What you do, what you do, what you do to me? Can't you see what it means when you set me free?
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Take me in slow, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies. so you can see.
After a long after dark cleaning motivation, it took me like 3 hours to do so. I decided to do a simple shower, though I had done my evening shower routine, but I'm so tired. I decided to repeat it again. And this is the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching until this point. Bye. Let's meet in the next one.
Teardrops on the floor, the pain is over.